We'll start the new topic with a reading session. The name of the topic is Claws of Birds. The birds have feet with toes that are used for walking, hopping, picking things, catching, and holding food. The long curved nails present on the feet of birds are called claws. CLAWS, claws. Different birds have different types of claws. Eagle, vulture, and hawk have sharp and strong claws to hold the small animals that they catch as prey. Sparrows and other small birds have claws that help them to perch. PERCH, perch. Perch mean to sit on tree branches and wires. Cranes, CRANES, cranes have long legs and widespread toes to walk on shallow water. Ducks and penguins have webbed, WEBBED, webbed feet to swim. Hens have 3 front toes and 1 back toe to scratch. SCRATCH, scratch the ground in search of seeds and insects.